Welcome. Let's take a look now at a risk event for the week starting Monday, the 20th of February. We're off now to DailyFX to join foreign exchange analyst Richard Snow with some more on his thoughts. Rich, good morning to you. What do you got for us for next week?
Good morning, Jeremy. I'm actually looking at a potential short-term retracement in the DAX, and that is with one eye on the German IFO business climate and ZEW economic sentiment data next week. Now, admittedly, the data has experienced a sharp turnaround, a positive turnaround, but we are starting to see that data potentially plateauing, that the good news sort of steadying up in terms of that acceleration that we've seen. Additionally, given the moves that we've been seeing in the S&P 500, and given that major indices are so inextricably linked these days, we have been seeing more hawkish rhetoric from the Fed and interest rate expectations rising higher. That certainly has been a challenge for the US index, and likewise, we could be seeing a bit of a turnaround in the DAX within what is admittedly a longer term uptrend, pointing to a potential pullback here. We have this negative divergence that appears to be playing out, and you can see that both on the RSI and the MACD index, where we're seeing lower highs, much in contrast to what we're seeing in price action with those higher highs there. Given we are in a longer term bull trend, risk management certainly needs to be kept tight with this particular setup. But yeah, we're looking at a potential retracement here in the DAX going into next week.
Okay, Rich, thanks so much indeed. Richard Snow from DailyFX with his view of a risk event for the week starting Monday, the 20th of February.